Hey there! Welcome back to AK Education System. In today's video, we're checking out 12 everyday English phrases and their advanced alternatives, perfect if you want to sound more fluent and natural in English. Let's dive in. Normal. I'm very tired. Native. I'm exhausted. I'm very busy. I'm swamped. I'm very hungry. I'm starving. How are you? How's it going? You are so lucky. You're so jammy. Kept it a secret. Keep it under wraps. Leave me alone. Give me a break. Stop wasting time. Stop faffing around. Good luck, bro. Break a leg, bro. It's very cold outside. It's freezing outside. Sorry, I feel asleep. Sorry, I noted off. I'm very happy. I'm over the moon. Let's meet today. Let's catch up today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. We've got content on everyday advanced English vocabulary, IELTS vocabulary tips, informal versus formal English words, practice for sounding like a native speaker,